Now you see her in a perfect position. So we start immediately. Marie, let's go on the mat. Yes. So for the plank, it's a core exercise. It's stabilizing your whole upper body system. What she is doing right now is she's going on her feet. She is pushing up her glute one time. Why is she doing that? Slowly, slowly, slowly. Why is she doing that? Because she's pressing now her abs. So that means she's getting tense as max as possible in her abs. That's a very straight position for the abs. So it's easy to adjust that. Slowly is she now going down. While she is going down, she brings her hip slowly in front and she's bending the hip in front while she's bringing and pressing the glute together. She's pulling her glute together to get more stability. Now you see her in a perfect position. So that means her arms are in a parallel position. Here she presses herself up from pressing the forearms into the body. She presses the body to the back. She pulls herself to the back. She makes like a double chin here and has here now a very stable position. The glute has maximum tense, the hip are in front, and everything is stabilized. Remember that. That's the perfect position for a plank. I will explain you a little bit more, but one time you do. If you are not that strong right now like her, you just bend in here and you go in that position where you use your knees like your legs. So it is a little bit shorter what you have now as a construct. That means it is not that heavy anymore. But everything stays the same. Her glute is completely squeezed. So how I like to say it, her glute eats her trousers. So and in that moment here, she has the abs under maximum tense. Here, this lower body, lower back is completely stabilized. And here she has her tense because she's pressing her body from the bottom away. That's a perfect position of a small plank. One thing what I want to explain you, and that's perfect that it is just happening automatically in that moment right now. So because she's losing a little bit of her strength, because she's now for a certain time here inside that exercise, now you could see she tries always here in that area to correct and to correct again. Why is that? Because she's losing the tense at that part here. Because, of course, she's a long time now inside the exercise. The key when you do that is that you bring the tense in your abs. I explained in a lot of different videos how that works. Just search for how do you get tense in your abs. And what she's doing then also is she's rolling here a little bit her upper body down while she's pulling her lower body up. This position enables her to get stabilized in this part. So what we do now is we bring her a little bit up. Now bring your hip in front, Marie. A little bit more. Yes. And that's then the position how you can stabilize. Now she stabilized that and now she brings her chest into the front as much as possible. Press your chest out, Marie, to the front. Yes. And then she gets the stable position here. But because she's now too weak, let her go down. Okay, go completely down, Marie, and relax. So it was not possible to hold in that way now for her anymore. I want you to explain that one time more in the standing position for myself. So that means you go in this position in which you hold your arms like that. When you are in that position, or before you are in that position, you are right now in that position how you started, right? You come up, you bring your glute inside, your hip goes in front, your glute gets maximum tense, your abs have tense, and you bring your chest in front. But before you bring your chest in front, do one thing. Roll a little bit from the straight muscle here down, little bit, and then when you hold that construct, what you build here, this feeling of I'm rolling a little bit inside, but it's just a feeling. Then you press your chest out and you are in a very straight position to hold. Your whole body has in that moment tense. Right now I want to invite you to do this exercise with us. If you're not that strong, if you're not too much into fitness right now, then just please start on your knees. If you have knee problem, please be careful with that. Take something under your knees, do something, but just do it in a way that you feel good. That's the most important thing. So we go again in that position. We do it now together. You follow us and we smack it so that you can do this exercise from today on in the most probably perfect way. So Marie, go into your position and you do the same and lift up your glute now. Perfect. Then you go slowly down and you bring your hip in front. You pull your glute as much as possible. You can see her trousers, her glute is eating her trouser. That's what I want. She's stabilized here. She has a little bit pulling from the front here inside. Her chest is out. That's the perfect plank. Just stay inside like her. We do it 10 seconds more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Now we go slowly down with the knees so you can still hold in that position a little bit longer. So we stay here 10 seconds more inside. Perfect. Marie, here in that case, roll a little bit more from your roll inside, different direction, the opposite direction, exactly. Roll here a little bit inside. Perfect. Now you have the perfect position again, completely stabilized. One thing, very important, don't forget breathing. Breathe all the time, in and out, while you hold the tense in your abs. How I told you, there are certain videos in my channel already what explains to you how to hold the tense in your abs and how to build all that up. But if you have it once, now breathe, breathe, breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now you can relax. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed that today's video and you could learn how a plank is really working. If you have any questions, just give me a comment down or write me a personal message. I'm happy to help you and have a great day. Just enjoy the ride and have a nice fitness time. Bye.